To work probably the easiest and most common knit decrease, which leans to the right, you're going to work a knit 2 together. When you go into a knit stitch, you typically go in like this, just into one loop with your right needle underneath the left. That's essentially what we're going to do, but go into both at the same time. So go into the second from the edge and then the first from the edge, just as if to knit. So it looks like this, with your right needle underneath your left, and then you yarn over, and you're going to pull that yarn over through both of those stitches. Slide those two off, tighten it up a little bit so it's the same size as all the other stitches, and that is a knit 2 together. So go into the second stitch and then the first stitch, yarn over, pull that through, slide off, and that's a knit 2 together.